How to fix Instagram Messenger updates not showing. So in today's video guys, I will show you the easiest way how to fix this on your Instagram. Just watch this video till the end. So first you need to go and open the settings of your phone, then go directly and open apps option. Here on apps option you have to search for Instagram, and then you have to scroll down and click on storage. Here, go to the last button, clear data, click OK and go back, click on first stop and click also OK. Now go to your Play Store on your homepage of your phone, update your Instagram if it's not updated, and that's it. Your problem will be solved. And that's it. I hope these videos helpful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.